Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Tyler.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you are here with us today. I'm David.
Hi, David. Today's episode is called Talk About Your Job in English, Easy Practice. We will learn simple, easy phrases to talk about work.
That's right, Tyler. This is perfect for beginners. We will speak slowly, use easy words, and practice together.
And don't forget, subscribe and practice with us every week.
All right, Tyler, let's start learning.
Okay, David. Let's start with a simple question. What do you do?
Good question. What do you do means what is your job?
Let's say it together. Ready? What do you do?
Great. Now I answer. I am a teacher.
Nice. Short and simple. I am a teacher.
Repeat after me. I am a teacher.
Good job. Let's try another one. I work in an office.
Yes, that means your job is in an office.
Repeat after me slowly. I work in an office.
You're doing great.
Now let's make a small conversation.
Okay.
David, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I work at a school.
Nice. That sounds natural.
Let's try together.
Repeat after us. What do you do?
I am a teacher.
I work at a school.
Now let's learn another useful phrase. I like my job.
Yes, very positive.
Repeat after me. I like my job.
Or you can say, I don't like my job.
Oh no, that's honest.
Let's say it anyway. I don't like my job.
Good practice.
One more phrase. I work from home.
Very common today.
Repeat after me. I work from home.
Awesome. You are already improving.
Let's review today's key phrases.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
I work in an office.
I like my job.
I work from home.
Great job practicing today.
That's right, Tyler. Keep speaking, keep repeating. You are doing amazingly well.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do?
We can't wait to hear your answers.
See you next time.